Imagine coming home to perfectly clean floors without lifting a finger. No more sweeping, mopping, or dragging out heavy vacuums. The iRobot Roomba 105 is a smart vacuum and mop that handles dirt, dust, and spills all on its own. With powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and easy app control, it keeps your home spotless while you relax and enjoy your free time. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Roomba 105 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Empty Dock. User Manual. Power cord, extra filter, extra side brush, and reusable mopping pad. Want to grep the Roomba 10.5 Robot Vacuum and Mop from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? The Auto Empty Dock allows the Roomba 105 to automatically empty its dustbin after each clean. The dock can hold up to 75 days worth of dirt, dust, and debris, so you won't need to perform daily or even weekly maintenance. This provides truly hands-free cleaning for over 2 months at a time. Find, reach, and eliminate messes with the combined power of intense suction, a multi-surface bristle brush, and edge sweeping brush to devour dirt and dust bunnies, plus a microfiber mop pad to leave floors shiny and clean. The Roomba 105 delivers 70 times more power-lifting suction, 1 and 2 times deeper, scrubbing 2, making it tough on dirt, dust, and pet hair. It devours messes on both carpets and hard floors, ensuring hassle-free cleaning with a spotless finish every time. Clear view. LiDAR quickly maps your home, avoids obstacles, and cleans in neat rows, even in the dark, for smart mapping and navigation. It learns your space with precision, allowing for customized and more efficient cleaning every time. The Roomba 105 is smart enough to know the difference between hard floors and carpets while mopping. It automatically detects and avoids carpets, so your rugs stay dry while mopping, ensuring only the right surfaces get cleaned. With the iRobot Home app, you can schedule cleanings that fit perfectly into your routine. Whether it's daily, weekly, or while you're away, the Roomba 105 automatically gets the job done. You can easily manage the Roomba 105 with simple on-device controls, the iRobot Home app, or through voice commands. This flexibility makes starting or scheduling a clean effortless, no matter where you are. Specifications. How to use. Unbox your Roomba 205 and get it ready in minutes. Simply attach the side brush if it's not already in place, secure the reusable mop pad when you want to mop, and fill the water tank with clean water or solution. With everything set, place your robot on the dock for its first charge, and let powerful cleaning with onboard dust compacting begin. Surface against a wall, leaving some space on each side for the robot to dock easily. Plug in the power cord and install the dust bag inside the station if it's not already in place. Once the light indicator turns on, your charging station is ready for use. Start an initial mapping run so the robot can scan and save your home layout. It uses LiDAR to accurately build a map, which helps it clean efficiently and avoid obstacles. You can later customize the map with rooms, no-go zones, and more. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the iRobot app. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press and hold the power button on top of the Roomba 105 until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the iRobot Home app on your smartphone. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Roomba 105 to Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can control the robot, schedule cleanings, and view smart maps right from the app. This makes managing your cleaning routine simple and convenient. Maintenance. Clean the Roomba 105 regularly to ensure it performs well. Wipe the exterior, sensors, and camera lens with a soft, dry cloth to help it navigate accurately. After each mopping session, empty and rinse the water tank and wash the reusable mop pad with warm water before letting it air dry completely. Check the main brush, side brush, and wheels for tangled hair or debris, and remove any blockages to maintain strong suction and smooth movement. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Roomba 105 Robot Vacuum and Mop. See you in the next one.